Hello guys, so I just want to show you how I did this, and looking at this kind of entry, this kind of setup, I just wanted to explain how I took these entries on Friday, and I closed some position. I don't hold the positions on weekends, so I just want to show something here very fast so that we can capture something together. So yesterday the market was here. Let me show you. The market was somewhere here. Come on, man. What the fuck is this thing sticking from? Wait. Oh, shit. Just a minute. Want to having a problem with my computer. I'm having a problem with my fucking computer. Yes, yeah, we're here. So yesterday, the market was here. And I'm sure I have that kind of on my, I took that screenshot. Let me show you. Just a minute. I took that screenshot. Where is it? Downloads. Where's the downloads? All right. On downloads. This here. This one. This is the setup I had yesterday. Let me open. What do I use here now? This one. The one I'm used to. Come on, come on, come on. 7 times. Come on, come on. 7 times. Come on, man. This one shows something. I hope it opens so fast. My computer is very slow. I need to update some stuff. Oh man, why are you taking too long? The problem of working with an old computer. Shit is not even helping. Yeah. Is it taking too long? I got a class. Try to open again. It's open. It's open from, I can see the back end. I don't know where. Yeah. Nah, this not what I want. This is not what I want. This is not what I want to open. I think it's this one. I just opened the wrong file. Let me see with this one. Yeah, this one. As you can see. So right here, this was the setup. I was waiting for this inducement to be taken out, then I could sell. So I want to explain this market. We start from there. So I'll just go back to the chart. Go to my chart. Go to my chart right here. Then I'll have to delete some stuff here so that we can have a good smooth start. Good smooth start. Yeah. So the market was here. I'm just explaining the entries, all right? Explain the entries. So I was waiting for these for this market to take out this first pullback for me. Is it really? Yeah, this was a pullback for me. For it to be taken out, I could enter the market. So let us see what the market does. Let's see what the market does for sure. I don't know, where should I put this? I don't know if I'm going to be audible enough. Okay, so let's see. Let's see where the market goes, man. All right, it's taken out. So when it was taken out, and look at the top, everything is mitigated. So I was waiting to sell from this zone, and I could go to the lower time frame and check. All right, check and see if I could get a setup from this market. So let's see right there. So sorry, because let me use the play bar so that I can explain a little bit better. So we'll go to the lower time frame because my entry I always do it on a 1 minute time frame. Okay, so when the inducement is taken out, you can see this how the market looks like. This is how it looks like. I need to be more edible. So I was to see what the market has done, to wait and see if the market has swept the liquidity at the top. Then I could have my first pullback. All right. So my first position, I mean, so we look at this and we're trying to see what the market did after taking out inducement. The first entry is obvious when the market sweeps liquidity. Look at this. This was a sweep. That was a sweep, and I need just to make it more visible. Let me use this. Right. So this was a good sweep. So my next entry, I could have just entered next, right? Next, and sell here because the next candle is going to open above. So this is where I'll put my entry. Then I'll put my stop loss just above it, around I like using smaller pips, maybe 5 pips. Let me see how many pips are this. This one, 20 pips. But according to the setup, the stop loss, I'll just place it there, and I'll wait. I'll target. Where should I target? I target the low, 15 minutes low. That's the 15 minutes low. Where? Let's see. 15 minutes low. This is the low, right? This is a 15 minutes low. That's where we target. Right, so that's where I put my target, but mostly I close my positions on break even. So this is where you target the first entry. That's where I'm supposed to target, but possibly me, most of the time I target these levels, the most realistic levels, like a level like this one, right? For me, a level like that one, or the first level can be this one. Mostly I target 15R as the first entry. Let's see. Let's see what the market does, man. So I'll play. If it hit the stop loss, look for another entry. Look at that. The zone is mitigated. And we are into that. Once it moves to such a levels, we always put our stop loss at break even. I put my stop loss at break even. Mostly when it hits this, let me say this zone, this low. Once it hits this low, can capture my first, we call it the partials. So for this one, if it break this low, I'll get my partial, and this one will be again my first change of character right on the lower time frame. So let's see. if it did the same thing. All right. So already I have captured my first entry, and I'm not done yet. I'm just getting started. So where was that line? This one. So this one will act as my change of character in the lower time frame, because the market is showing me that it's going to, it's attempting to do what? To sell. All right. It's attempting to sell, and that's my first entry. All right. Then another entry was supposed to be here. Let's show something. Let me cut here. Yeah, because this was the first liquidity sweep. At the high time frame, the market has cleared the liquidity, so I needed inducement, something like this. You see the market is dropping. The market is dropping like this. I need reason people who happen to sell on this move. People happen to sell on this move already. The stop loss is above, so I'll wait for the market to take the stop loss out. All right, this I call it the inducement. When it's taken out, then I can sell. So when you look at this, move, this will act as a first pullback. These levels. Sorry. Okay. So this one is going to act as my first pullback. I call it inducement, all right? So when it's taken out, I can sell on a single candle order block. All right, let's just wait and see if it's taken out. Okay. Okay, it's taken out now. Now we prepare to sell. And if the market, because it's already swept the high on the high time frame, it already swept liquidity on the high time frame. So we can only sell even without the market mitigating in a zone. But if you look well, you'll see that this zone, this candle has mitigated this other candle. So here there's no imbalance. The only candle with the imbalance is this one. Sorry, this one. So the market tapping on that zone, I'll not sell direct because I need more confirmation. I need another candle to close below this candle, something like an engulfing candle. So I'll wait. For me, I call it single candle order block because there's some features that I look at, right? So it has not closed. Yeah, it has closed already now. I can have my entry here. Sell limit here. Then the stop loss just be above the zone, above this zone. And I'll target where? Where should I target again? I'll target the low, the 15 minutes low. This zone, man, this zone is where I'm targeting, right? And this one, if I'm at break even, I can still hold. But this zone is not as realistic as it is, but you hold the market as long as you have your positions. The best thing of working on a lower time frame is that you can get more entries if you have mastered the strategy and you know how it works. And we see if the market will keep pushing down. Let's see. And also, I'll always look at the high time frame. We'll go back to the 15 minutes time frame and see what the market is doing. As you can see, guys, on this one, let me see. Let me just do this. All right. You can see it's just something funny, something very funny, something very small. But if you want to target the levels, the low is this one. Okay. These levels, this is where you target. And I look for things like the sessions. I want to know, because most sessions are always manipulated. If two sessions are moving in the same direction, one has to move on the opposite direction, right? So I can see here we're expecting the London session. So if Asian was pushing up, then London should push down. So let's play and see where the market goes. All right, if you hit a stop loss, we hit it. All right, the market's moving well. All right, we're holding that position, and as you can see, We hit our TP, a clean TP. Look at this. I'm not using my mouse today, so, and I'm on a laptop. I'm struggling really to push the tools around. But as you can see, okay, I told you, this first session for me, this is a nation session, this one, all right? This is the London session, okay? So the next session is the New York sessions. But most of the time I trade on New York session because the market really moves. Look at this previously. Okay, let me show you something. Let me show you something. Asian pushed up, London pushed down. So the next New York also pushed down, right? New York pushed down. So when you walk up, the the Asian was trying to push up, all right? But according to the how do I call it? According to the analysis or the structure of the market was supposed to sell. So London was coming in, and they knew that London is going to push down. So that's where I had my entries, right? 11 risk reward, and the other one was 61. But this one I had to use a very small lot because I only had one confirmation. But I like using multiple confirmation, all right? So this one was a really, really good, awesome entry. Yes, so on this one, I'm going to continue to show you what I did next. So on that one, we have our entries first, done, order closed, 80 profit. So what next we can do with this is that we're looking for another breakout structure. Breakout structure, right? Breakout structure where? Here. We need the market to close. The market to close like that. So there's a boss, breakout structure. Then I need to confirm the high. Where's the high? This is the high. Okay? This being the high, I need inducement. I need inducement. Inducement is a pullback. I need a valid pullback. So for me, I'll just wait until I get the pullback. So I play around the market to see if I get the pullback. I need to push down. Right here, it's going down. Why is it going down? Let me show you something. The fuck has it done? Yeah, why is it pushing down? Let me show you. Because I need inducement. Where's the inducement? Inducement is the first pullback. Where's the first pullback? This one. That's a pullback. And I would like to see that pullback being taken out, okay? I need that pullback to be taken out. To me, that's an inducement. And that inducement, in fact, the real inducement is here. It's not even there. This one, this is the first pullback. It was taken out. The real inducement that was taken out. What the hell? It's not responding now. Okay. This inducement was taken out, so I need to confirm the law. Where's the law? This is the law. That being the law, let me just use the playing back. This being the law, so I need this inducement to be taken out. Once it's taken out, because this is the London session, not London session, the New York session, it happened to push down. So I just close the session signal first. Okay. So I'll wait for inducement to be taken out. Where is it? I want for it to be taken out. Okay. It's taken out now. It's done. So you can see it's just a sweep. If it's a sweep, I want to go to the lower time frame and look for entry on this level. See on this shadow. So I'll go to the lower time frame, 1 minute, and see if I can get an entry on that. So I'll just sell on the first order block. As you can see, if the market comes back to this, where comes back to this to me, I'll have a direct sell in this one. So I'll just put my sell limit here. Sell limit, I need to have a sell limit here. Right, stop loss just be above it, and I'll target the low. Where? I'll target the 15 minutes low. What's that? This low. So hard to work without a mouse. Right? So this will be my target. Going to target here. And let's see if the market gives us an entry, because this is the 15 minutes shadow, right? So let's see if the market will come back to that zone, because what I need is the market to push back, okay? To pull back in this zone, then drop, right? So that's what I'm waiting to see. Okay, let me just see. Let's see. Let's see if the market does the same. Let's see. The market decides to keep dropping, coming back in the zone. Okay, we mitigated now. The trade is active. The trade is active. Just push this outside, right? So let's see if it hit the stop loss, or we can make some money from there. Look, it's trying to push up. Look at that. So if it's pushing up, again, look at this. Let me show you something. Just another sweep here. Another liquidity sweep. Okay. That's just another liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep. So what do we do? If we get a single candle order block, then we can have another sell. And it's here. Let me show you. And why am I selling here? Because I have a change of character. I'm not actually explaining everything, guys. I'm just trying to show you how I took the entries, because to me this is a change of character. This to me is a change of character. It's another confirmation that the market is going to sell because it has broken the previous low. And this day, I like to me as an inducement. And that one acting as an inducement, this was just acted as an order block. Let me show you. Where's the order block? The order block was here. So this for the first entry. So the second one, you can see I'm breaking again down. I'm having another pullback being taken out. This one, which is acting as an inducement. Acting as an inducement, okay? So if the next candle is going to sweep that high, and if the candle closes below, I'll take another entry. Let's see. Yeah, okay. We need a candle to close below this. Close below this. This one, all right? Need a candle to close below there. Let's see. Okay, now we got it. We got it, man. In fact, let me show you. We need to see that candle closing below so that everybody can get a smooth entry. So we're going to have another sell limit here on this. Then our stop loss, just stay above here to be safe, but you could have placed it here, but to be safe, just put it here. All right. Then we see the market will come back in that zone, because we need to see the market pulling back in that zone. Sure. You need the market to pull back in this zone, then push down. So that's the kind of type 3 entry, type of entry. I'll not talk much about it because I'm still working on still preparing videos for my students. Really need to charge my mouse. It's giving me a lot of hard work. Okay, so let's see if the market mitigate, comes back in our zone, right? Let's see. You can see the next candle went in, all right? And it's going up. Now we are mitigated. Again, if that one's going to sweep, we see we hit our stop loss, right? We hit our stop loss, but that was our plan. That was a good plan, all right? But this first entry, you only close it at break even. Once you break the first high, the previous low, this one, you at break even. So when it goes up, you'll not lose anything. So look at this. We lose that and you don't give up, but you look at the structure of the market again. Let me show you. Look at this. This is a high. That high has been taken out, okay? Has been swept. The market has swept that high. Doesn't mean that you have lost the money. You don't give up. You look at the market again at the high time frame zone. And looking at this, I'm going to show another hidden supply zone where you can find it. Another hidden supply zone. Another hidden supply zone. Where do you get it? Yeah, you see this one. Let me just use something that is so visible. This is a hidden supply zone. So here, this sweep, it shows you that you have £1 of interest. This one. Okay. This is another hidden supply zone. I know you don't know about this, but again, look at this. This shadow again is another supply zone. Another supply zone, but this one was mitigated. So the one above, just change the color of this one. The one above, just give it that kind of color. That one above is one of the zones that is refined. So if the market again pushes back to that zone, can have our entry there. So this one will just push back. This was a loss, a small loss. The second was a loss, but this one closed at break even. So let's see where the market, if it can push back in that zone, the most refined zone. And here again, if you want to sell, you can sell, okay? Because this is another type of confirmation. It sweeps the high, then it closes below. So here, then you just put your stop loss above that zone or just above it, so you don't risk much. And let's see if the market pushes down. If it doesn't, we wait to our point of interest, our hidden supply. You see where the market is going, and this is where you're having your first good entry because the high was swept. And where are you targeting? Again, my friend, targeting this low. This is where you're targeting. And if you're targeting that low, another confirmation that the market is likely to push more down is this one, because you have here your change of character, the first pullback taken out. First pullback taken out. This is your change of character, a confirmation that the market is going to push more down. So let's see what it does. And we'll just play around and see. You can see it was a good entry. That was a good one. Oh, damn it, man. Stop there. Stop there, man. As you can see, it's trying now to push down, attempting to push down, and you can see you have an order flow here. So it can push back to this order flow, then it can push down, as you can see. Come back to your order flow. This is now an order flow. I'll explain about how to sell on order flow. This is an order flow, is it? Where have I gone with this one? This is an order flow, right? This order flow. Order flow, all right? That's an order flow. It tapped on that order flow. And if you wanted to sell again, you could have another sell there with a confirmation, all right? So let's just play the market and see what it did. It attempted to go up, okay? There's an attempt of going up. Let's go to the 15 minutes and see what the market is doing. On 15, so you can see this was, we did not hit our stop loss, my friend. We did not hit our stop loss. This was just an 1 minute order flow. And you can just take it out and look at this. And the market, I think this is where it was last night when I closed the positions. That's where it was. So as you can see, we captured at least 4 positions on this entry. And this is how you do, man. This is how you do. So you can check out my videos on my premium Telegram, and some I'll be posting on YouTube for educational purposes here. You can join there, subscribe, share, and like. Have a good day, guys. Have an awesome day. Have a good day.